Next tool in a node tool box is this point transfer tool. It's very simple. It's scale or rotate a selected object above its position, transform, origin. It's very simple. For example, we want to scale or rotate this object based on this origin here. You can see this is an origin. You can make it here. And then select this, and you can see with click and drag, you can scale it based on this point or this point based on the origin. If you need, you can set origin here and move it based on, or this, scale and rotate it based on the origin, rotate based on origin and scale based on origin that you want, with selected pointed. This, the origin is here, drag and drop it at the center, this tool, point transfer tool. And then with just click and drag based on point, you can rotate and scale object based on origin and the point of selected. That's it.